Hi guys, back with me again in this channel. So on today's video, I'm gonna give you a tutorial on how you can create a yellow orange warm tone coloring video on CapCut. So first, add your clips and just go to filter, click on the movies and select the green orange filter and set it to around 70, and then go to adjust. For the brightness, set it into 10, saturation 10, and then click on the HSL. Now on the orange color, set the hue into -15, and then saturation 15, and the luminance 20. And after that, go back and go to grabs. On the white color, add 3 dots like this, and then set the color like this, or you can also adjust it based on your video. Okay, go back, and then for the highlight, I lower it into around -30, shadow -3, and lastly on the temperature, increase it to 10. Okay, so now you are done, and here is the result for the yellow orange warm tone coloring. Okay guys, so that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and also click on the thanks below. Bye.